How to change JustMarkets app language using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. JustMarkets makes it easy to switch the app language so you can navigate everything more comfortably in your preferred language. So here's how you can change your language setting in the app. First of all, launch open the JustMarkets application on your smartphone or tablets and log into your account. Once you're signed into the main homepage of JustMarkets, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. This will open up this expanded menu where you'll need to click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right. From the settings menu, you'll see select a language option under general at the top, tap on it, and then from the available language options, select the one you want to change to. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your language setting in the app. The app should automatically update. If it does not, then close and reopen the app again, and you'll be able to select a different language and apply it on your JustMarkets app interface. You can always repeat this step and select a different language whenever you wish to change it. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.